Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Walmart beauty box unboxing. This used to be only $5, but I noticed they did raise the price. It's a little over $6 now, and then with, I guess, tax, I think it was $7.49 is what I actually got charged for. $5 obviously was a better deal, but let's see what you get for about $7. The first item is a scrunchie. Wild Primrose, that's pretty cute. Interesting color. So I got one of those. This is a spring 2021 box. Oh cool, it does give us a list of all the items too, so I'll set that aside. The next one is a toothbrush from Hello. Naturally friendly, BPA free, charcoal infused bristles. Always use a toothbrush. Also have Bliss Drench and Quench Cream to Water Hydrator for all skin types. It's a pretty big sample size of that. And a sample of Hello toothpaste. I feel like that's in like every box. This is a natural peppermint one. A sample face and body drops. Oh, it's a self-tan. Oh, okay. I haven't seen that where it's just like drops. That's interesting. Wonder if it's better than, you know, the lotions, because those are always like real streaky, so that's kind of cool. Excited to try that. And then we have some nail wraps. This is from Dashing Diva. I wear Color Street. These have been on for like a week and they look fine. They're just growing out. I haven't tried too many other brands, but the ones I have tried, they weren't as good as Color Street. But this apparently lasts up to 14 days. I'll definitely give that a go and see if that's accurate, but that's pretty cool. Not sure if it shows the prices on here. Oh, it does. Okay. So the scrunchie was almost, well, $5 to $8 depending. The nail strips are $7. $4 for the toothbrush, $3.99, but that's for a full size of that. And it looks like some other variations. People got a witch hazel toner, a peel off mask, a primer, and an ultra rich moisturizer. So I typically get, I think it's the trendsetter box, so you could receive some of these other items as well, but pretty cool. I still enjoy them. It's just a complete surprise what you get. If you guys are interested, I'll put all their information below and how you can sign up. You get 4 boxes a year, so it's seasonal, and now it's about $7.50-ish. So thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.